Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa aking channel. And ngayon, tuturo ko na naman sa inyo I'll Be by Edwin McCain. So, nasa standard tuning tayo. And first part ng kanta is the intro. So, yung intro ginamit ko is dalawang chord lang at saka dalawang balik. So, yung chord na ginamit ko is the B. Next chord is the A. Oh, yun lang. Dalawang balik. So, yung plucking pattern niya is ganito. Mag-B chord ka ng ganito. So, pluck mo yung 5th string, 5th string, 3rd string, then balik ulit sa 3rd string. Okay? 5, 3, 2, 3. Okay? After nun, 1st string, takbo. 5, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, next chord is the A. Yun yung sa takbo ng introduction. So, ulitin ko. Part ng kanta is the verse. So, yung chord na ginamit is B. Pwede yung gamitin yung B dito sa 2nd fret para mas malapit. Yung B niya na walang little finger. Para siyang power chord na B. Pero, I prefer to use this B chord. So, index finger nasa 6th string, 7th fret, ring finger, 5th string, 9th fret, and then little finger, 4th string, 9th fret, and middle finger, 3rd string, 8th fret. And then open yung 1st and 2nd string. Next chord is E suspended 2. Then balik ulit sa B. And the next chord is the F sharp over A sharp. So kung di nyo alam yung chord na to, yung middle finger in the 6th fret, 6th string, index finger natin nasa 4th string, 4th fret, ring finger natin nasa 3rd string, 6th fret, and then little finger nasa 2nd string, 7th fret. F sharp over A sharp. Minsan gumagamit ng B flat, pero same lang yung chord ng A sharp at saka B flat. Next chord is the E over G sharp. Same chord lang siya, same chord pattern ng F sharp over A sharp. atras mo lang ng 2 fret. 1, 2. E over G sharp. So B, E suspended 2, balik sa B, F sharp over A sharp, E over G sharp. So itong chord na to, 2 balik sa verse. So try natin. So next part is the pre-chorus. So yung chord natin is a B. After na, F sharp over A sharp or B flat. Next is E over G sharp. Same pa rin kanina. And then balik sa F sharp over A sharp. So itong chord na to, 4 na chord, balikan mo ng 4 na beses. And then yung last chord ng pre-chorus is the F sharp. So try natin. So, yun. Next part is the chorus. So, yung chord niya is B. Next chord is the E, suspended 2. And then, balik sa B. Next chord, F sharp over A sharp. And then, E over G sharp. So, yun lang yung chord niya sa chorus. At saka, 2 balik din siya. So, and so after ng chorus, balik sa intro, then verse, pre-chorus, then balik ulit second chorus. Proceed tayo sa bridge part. So before mag-bridge part, meron tayong after ng second chorus, mag-B chord ka lang. So yun, yung bridge chord niya is G sharp minor 7. I prefer to use modified chord ng G sharp minor 7. So yung chord niya is index finger in the 5th string 6th fret, little finger in the 4th string 6th fret, and then index finger in the 3rd string 4th fret. G sharp minor 7. Next chord is the F sharp. So, ganitong F sharp. And then, next chord is the E major. And then, after that, suspended, E suspended. Passing chord, E ulit. Then, repeat from G sharp minor 7, F sharp major, and then E. After that sa E, A, So, yan yung bridge chords niya. So, and I drove out to all my way back from the town. Soon I remember the things you said. And then, balik sa chorus. Pero yung last chorus niya is parang mellow part. I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be to love suicide. And then, I'll be a veteran. I'll be the greatest fan of your life. The greatest fan of your life. So, yun mga tolls. Sana may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko. And para updated kayo sa akin channel, just click like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow my Facebook page. Nasa link yung description. And if you have some requested songs, you can comment down below. So, yun lang. God bless.